Hey guys, this is Tech Fanatics, and in this video we'll demonstrate how you can take a tire off a rim and then put it back using a Tech Fanatics tire changer. So let's get started. We begin with setting the machine and the right air pressure. To change the air pressure, there is a pressure gauge and a knob which can be manipulated to set it right. Lift the knob up and set the air pressure between 6 and 8 bars. Once it's done, your machine is set for operations. Now comes the wheel from which the tire is to be removed. First and foremost step is to take out the valve stem, which if we don't can blow up the tire while breaking the bead. Once all the air is out of the tire, we can line it up with our bead breaker. Next, we line the shovel with the edge of the rim and press the fourth pedal from the left. Rotate the tire at 180 degrees and repeat the same process. Flip the tire around on the other side and repeat the same procedure once again. After this, we place the tire on top of the machine and lock it in with the middle pedal. Next, we put some soap solution at the lip of the tire to add some lubrication, which makes taking off the tire a lot more easier. Now we take this arm and swing it in, and here we want to put the mounting head down against the edge of the rim. Once in place, we'll lock it with the help of this knob. Next, we take this iron bar and place it against the mounting head, and while pushing down on the opposite side of the tire, we bring out the leading lip with the help of this iron bar. Hold the bar at place and press the extreme right pedal. To bring the second side of the tire out, push the bar all the way through against the mounting head and lift up the tire from there. Press the fifth or the rightmost pedal, and now the tire is off the rim. Now go ahead and release the knob, which will take the mounting head off the rim and allows the old tire to be taken off. To install a new tire on the rim, we'll need to adjust it at a specific angle with the mounting head such that a part of tire is below the front of the mounting head and the other part is above the back of the mounting head. While retaining this position, press the right pedal. We'll repeat the same process for the upper bead as well. A part of tire under the front of the mounting head and the other part over the back of the mounting head. Press the rightmost pedal, and with this, we have successfully installed a new tire on the rim once again. Once it's done, release the mounting head. The next step is to seal the bead with the rim. Take the pressure gauge attached with the machine and start filling air in the tire. You'll hear some thud sounds while the bead gets sealed. Once that's done, put the valve stem back in and fill the tire with the recommended air pressure. Release the tire from the machine, and here we have our tire, first taken off and then reinstalled on the rim. To know more about this product, visit www.techfanatics.in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. This is Tech Fanatics. See you guys in the next one.